Finally ordered the new one, and so I was comparing them, and this is the difference I found, which I read it in the reviews before when I bought it in Amazon. The wire in the original one is more to the right than the replacement one. The only thing I saw was like the bottom part is thinner. You see the sealant here is thicker, and the display is slightly smaller. But to compensate for the wire, because this wire is more to the left, and this one I'm going to install it hitting the edge in the left side, and I'm gonna bring it very little up, like probably 1/16 up. That way I can have it center. So, uh, so what I did first, I put the cable first. I already got installed. You see the vent in the back, because also the cable, the replacement one, this cable is longer. This one is shorter, but everybody says it's work. They had the same issue and it's working right. So just to let you know, I'm not going to record because it has a paper in the back that I had to remove. So I'm unable to record and do it, but I'm gonna do it right now. Yeah, if you seen, I had it all the way perfectly in the edge here, on the top, and the left side. The bottom side, let me turn the lights on. I left a little room here, you see. It's like probably 1/16, very low. And the other side, I left a little room here because the screen is not perfect. It's not perfectly same white as the other one, so I hope it works good. That's what I did. But the reason I moved it to the left is, you see, the wire is kink is a little here. That's the reason I put it first. In the back, it has this piece of paper covering the screen, and then has those pieces of paper for the double-sided tape that has in the back that goes here. So now you look in the back, it's already. So what I did, I'm gonna bend his wire here, not very hard, but just give it a shape. So when I put the screen together, you don't get pinched anywhere. That's the reason I put it first here before I install the screen on. So I want to align everything the best I can. You see the wire, you see he's in the edge here. That's why, it's because it's too far to the left side. Now we're gonna assemble everything back. Okay, take the first out of here. This goes this way. This wire, lift it up, and lift up this other right here. Goes right here. See the lines? So now I put this wire goes inside here, and this one goes inside here. Remember, I was just talking about the long wire, so be aware it's not get pinched here. So what we're gonna do is see if we can push it to the right a little. Be aware of that. If you pinch it, then you're in trouble. There we go. That's what we're looking for. So now we're gonna have the black screws goes in small holes, which I think is this one. This one's a small one. This one. And this one. Dang good. Those things happen. Tight, 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 and tight, and then one goes here. Yeah, those four goes here. To go crazy tightening things, especially electronic things, because if you over tighten, you can scrape them pretty quick or break the board. So you snug them and just go a little. That'll be it. Yeah. Three screws are in. So now we go to this guy. So now we're gonna put this wire here. So if you're not sure which way it goes, I use this clip as a reference with this here. See, that's where it hits, supposed to be. So I align it, and with some tools, going through the back, I push it in, and then let me turn the light on. I'll put this guy in here, and see if I can slide it down. Got big fingers, so it's gonna be harder to me for. Let me accommodate it again. Okay, I got it right here, and see if I can push it in. Put the real one. So the trick is slide this the back the farthest you can back. Help yourself and then slide this in there. Because I was trying to do it this way, there's no room for my hand, so you have to do it this way. And now you see all the room you have here. It's easier. So now this one, I guess, would be the same thing probably. But, and this one, I had to stretch this cable a little, and then this tab is easier. With this tab, just pushing in. It's not like the back one. The one you have to slide it back down, but it's already in. So now we're gonna put this here. Let's see. So now align this tab here, put this one here, and then has two tabs here. If you see them, you see the tab here. It goes inside one slot there. So we have that. Now we're gonna put the 4 screws on the side. This one, and this one here, and this one. Now we're gonna put the side brackets. One here, and the other one goes right here. That's the way it goes. They also have sides left and right. All screws are back in here too. So way different from the way it started. So now you know how to replace the screen. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and click for the notification bell. Thank you.